Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts and flavor aficionados. Have you ever considered adding a plant to your home that is as versatile as it is beautiful? I'm not talking about just any herb, but the wonderful, fragrant dill. For generations, this humble plant has been a staple in gardens and kitchens, prized for its distinctive flavor and a surprising array of benefits. Join me today as we explore the top 10 reasons why you absolutely need dill in your life. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a sunny windowsill, dill is a perfect addition to your home. It's a simple plant with so much to offer, and I guarantee you'll be inspired to start growing your own after this video. Before we dig in, if you enjoy learning about gardening, cooking, and natural wellness, be sure to give this video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the Herbal Keys. It helps us bring you more great content like this. Ready to discover the magic of this versatile herb? Let's get started on our dill countdown. Dill, scientifically known as Anethum graveolens, is an annual herb with delicate, feathery leaves and a distinctive, slightly sweet and anise-like flavor. The standard dill plant is quite tall, often reaching 2 to 3 feet in height. This makes it a striking and beautiful addition to your herb garden. Its leaves, often called dill weed, are finely divided, creating a soft, almost cloud-like texture. As the plant matures, it produces beautiful umbrella-shaped clusters of tiny yellow flowers known as umbels. If space is a concern, consider varieties like fernleaf dill. It's more compact, growing to about 18 inches, but still packs that wonderful flavor. Gardeners with smaller spaces often appreciate its bushier form. Then there are varieties known for their seed production, like Long Island Mammoth, which provides a generous harvest of those flavorful dill seeds we'll talk about later. No matter what variety of dill you choose, the entire plant, from the feathery foliage to the aromatic seeds, is edible and highly valued in the kitchen. Growing dill is surprisingly easy, which is great news for gardeners of all levels. Dill thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. It's generally hardy in USDA zones 3 through 10, meaning most of us can enjoy it. Direct sowing seeds in the spring after the last frost is usually the best method, as dill doesn't always transplant well due to its long taproot. Imagine tiny seeds sprouting into fragrant green shoots right in your garden bed. For continuous harvests, consider succession planting, sowing new seeds every few weeks. And here's a bonus. Dill readily goes to seed, and you can easily save these seeds for next year's planting. Let a few flower heads mature and dry on the plant, then collect the seeds. It's a simple and rewarding way to propagate. This ensures you'll have dill year after year without needing to buy new seeds constantly. Having dill growing in your garden offers more than just its lovely aroma and culinary uses. Because it's a member of the carrot family, dill is a valuable companion plant. It attracts beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, which are natural predators of aphids and other garden pests. These helpful insects work to keep your precious vegetables safe, making dill an excellent choice for supporting a thriving and productive ecosystem right in your own backyard. Furthermore, growing dill in your garden can help improve the flavor and growth of certain vegetables, especially cucumbers, making it a must-have for pickling enthusiasts. And here's a tip for a longer leaf harvest. Regularly snip off the top leaves to prevent the plant from bolting, or in other words, going to seed too quickly. This encourages bushier growth and a continuous supply of those flavorful fronds throughout the season. Don't let your abundant dill harvest go to waste. There are several easy ways to preserve its wonderful flavor. Freezing is a simple method. Chop fresh dill and pack it into ice cube trays with a little water or olive oil, then transfer the frozen cubes to a freezer bag. Imagine adding a cube of fresh dill to your winter soups and stews. Instant summer flavor. Freezing dill preserves more of its flavor and vibrant color than drying it, making it a superior choice for recipes where fresh taste is desired. Drying dill is another option. Hang bunches of dill upside down in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated area until they are completely dry. Once dried, the leaves can be crumbled and stored in an airtight container. Dill seeds can also be harvested and stored in airtight jars for future use. The flavor of dried dill is more concentrated than fresh dill, so you only need to use about half the amount in your recipes. Proper storage ensures you can enjoy the taste of your homegrown dill long after the growing season ends. Now, let's talk about the delicious side of dill. Fresh dill has a bright, delicate flavor that enhances a wide variety of dishes. Try adding finely chopped fresh dill to a refreshing cucumber salad with yogurt and a touch of lemon. It's a classic for a reason. Or stir it into a creamy dip for vegetables or chips, or maybe a classic Greek tzatziki. In Sweden, fresh dill is a key ingredient in gravlax, a traditional cured salmon dish. The fresh, herbaceous notes of dill elevate the simplest of snacks. Speaking of salmon, fresh dill is also great with fish. A sprinkle of fresh dill over grilled or baked salmon adds a burst of flavor that perfectly complements the richness of the fish. And who can forget a traditional potato salad? Fresh dill is a key ingredient, adding a lovely freshness that balances the creamy dressing. Fresh dill fronds can be used to garnish cocktails like a dill-infused gin and tonic for a unique and aromatic twist. It can bring your everyday meals and beverages to life. Don't overlook the flavor power of dill seeds. They have a stronger, more pronounced flavor than the leaves, with slightly citrusy and caraway-like undertones. Dill seeds are a quintessential ingredient in pickling, lending their distinct taste to everything from cucumbers to green beans. Dill seeds contain a higher concentration of the aromatic compound carvone than the leaves, which is responsible for their distinctive and stronger flavor profile. Imagine the satisfying crunch of a homemade dill pickle, its flavor infused by those potent seeds. Beyond pickling, dill seeds add a wonderful aroma and flavor to baked goods, particularly rye bread. A sprinkle of dill seeds in the dough creates a unique and comforting taste. Dill seeds can also be lightly toasted to enhance their nutty flavor before being used in recipes. They work beautifully with roasted vegetables, adding a warm, aromatic touch. Try tossing your roasted veggies with a pinch of dill seeds before they slide into the oven. Or try infusing your homemade vinaigrettes with dill seeds for a refreshing dressing. Dill offers some noteworthy health benefits. Traditionally, dill has been used as a digestive aid. It contains compounds that can help soothe an upset stomach, reduce bloating, and ease gas. Think of it as a natural way to calm your digestive system after a meal. A warm cup of dill tea can be particularly comforting. Another example is chewing a few dill seeds after a heavy meal. The seeds contain volatile oils such as carvone and limonene, which are responsible for its calming effect on the digestive tract. A warm cup of dill tea can be particularly comforting. Simply steep fresh or dried dill in hot water for a few minutes. In some cultures, dill water is given to infants to help with colic, which is why it is sometimes called gripe water. Furthermore, dill is believed to stimulate the production of bile, which aids in the digestion of fats. Incorporating dill into your diet, whether fresh in a tea or even the seeds in a dressing, can be a gentle and natural way to support healthy digestion. Dill may seem delicate, but it packs a nutritional punch. It's a good source of several important vitamins and minerals. For instance, dill contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system, something we all appreciate. Just a sprinkle of fresh dill can contribute to your daily intake. Try adding a generous amount of fresh dill to a green smoothie to boost its nutritional value. Dill also has more vitamin A than most leafy greens, which is important for maintaining healthy eyesight. Dill is also a source of calcium, which is vital for maintaining strong bones and teeth. And let's not forget manganese, a trace mineral that also plays a role in bone health and metabolism. While you might not eat large quantities of dill at once, incorporating it regularly into your meals can contribute to your overall nutrient intake. A great example of this is sprinkling it over your salads, fish, or vegetables to increase the nutritional content. It's a flavorful way to add a little extra goodness to your diet. Coming in at number 9 on our list are some of the fascinating uses with dill beyond the kitchen and medicine cabinet. Historically, dill has been used as a natural dye. The leaves and seeds can produce a pale yellow or greenish hue when used to dye fabrics. To achieve a more intense color, you can add iron to the dye bath, which deepens the yellow into a greener shade. Imagine creating naturally dyed textiles with the bounty from your garden, a unique and sustainable craft. The fragrant nature of dill extends to other household uses as well. The dried flower heads, with their delicate structure and subtle scent, can be a lovely addition to potpourri mixes, adding a fresh herbal note to your home. And don't overlook dill as a fragrant and interesting addition to floral arrangements. Its feathery foliage provides a lovely texture and a subtle aroma that complements other flowers beautifully. Plus, the scent of dill is a natural repellent for some pests, creating a natural insect deterrent indoors. Finally, let's delve into the rich history and lore surrounding dill. This herb has been valued for centuries, with evidence of its use dating back to ancient Egypt and Greece. The ancient Greeks even associated dill with wealth and good fortune. It was a symbol of prosperity and was used in the wreaths of victorious athletes. The Romans gave dill to their gladiators to give them strength, and brought dill across their vast empire, appreciating its culinary and medicinal properties. In medieval times, dill was believed to have protective powers and was sometimes used in charms and potions to ward off witches and evil spirits. The word dill comes from the Old Norse word dilla, which means to lull, referring to its use in soothing and promoting sleep. Today, as we cultivate dill in our gardens, we're connecting with a long tradition of appreciating its versatility and benefits. It's more than just an herb. It's a little piece of history we can grow right at home. And there you have it, 10 compelling reasons to make dill a staple in your home and garden. This incredible herb is more than just a seasoning. It's a living part of history, a natural health aid, and a beautiful addition to any space. I hope this journey through the world of dill has inspired you to plant some seeds and discover its magic for yourself. Have you ever tried using dill for something other than cooking, like a natural dye or in a floral arrangement? What was your favorite reason to grow dill? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. If you enjoy exploring the world of herbs and found this video helpful and inspiring, please take a moment to like it and subscribe to the Herbal Keys for more tips and ideas. And don't forget to share this with a friend who might also appreciate the simple joy of growing their own food. Thanks for watching, and until next time, dilly dilly.